Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super useful topic: how to view all apps installed on Android in 2025. Whether you're trying to free up space, find a hidden app, or just get organized, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Android devices have evolved, making app management even simpler, so let's dive right in. First things first, unlock your Android phone or tablet and head to your home screen. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app drawer. This is your starting point for seeing most of your apps at a glance. But if you want a full, detailed list, we need to go a step further. Next, open the Settings app. You can do this by swiping down from the top of your screen to access the Quick Settings panel and tapping the gear icon, or by finding the Settings app in your app drawer and tapping it. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see the Apps, or Applications, section. Depending on your device and the latest Android update in 2025, it might be under Device Care or directly listed. Tap on Apps, and you'll be greeted with a list of all your installed applications. If it doesn't show everything at first, look for an option like See All Apps or Manage Apps to expand the view. Here, you can sort by name, size, or even last used date, which is great for decluttering. Another handy method is through the Google Play Store. Open the Play Store app, tap your profile icon in the top right, and select Manage Apps and Device. Under the Installed tab, you'll see a comprehensive list of all your apps, perfect for checking updates or uninstalling unused ones. And there you have it. You've now mastered viewing all your installed apps on Android in 2025. This simple process can help you keep your device running smoothly and efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.